Hey guys, welcome back to Struggleville YouTube channel. For this video, I have some amazing under $50 tool deals to share with you. All the deals in this video under $50. It's a little bit of a lie. The very last deal is over $50, but I decided just to slide that one in. Sometimes I like sliding it in. You slide it in now, you ask for forgiveness later. It'll be okay. We got Lowe's, Home Depot, Farm and Fleet. We'll end the video with Amazon. Amazon deals will all be linked down below. The big box retailers are using the YouTube shopping links. And you'll see boxes pop up here, there, and everywhere throughout the video as we hit the different deals. First, we have Lowe's, the Craftsman Versa Stack 20-piece set, SAE and metric with the hard case. Normally $36.98 down to $19.98. Goes through August 6th or for as long as it's in stock. Now, they have some different variations that are $15 as opposed to $20, and those you have to pick. Do you want SAE or metric? I like this one because you're getting both SAE and metrics in the case, and this is all quarter-inch drive, so you're getting a row of metrics, a row of SAEs, you get the ratchet, you get the extension, and all in the handy-dandy case, $20. I really like that deal. Over at Home Depot, we have the Milwaukee Sawzall General Purpose Reciprocating Blade Set. It's a 6-piece set, normally $20 down to $9.97. It is half off. So we do get a mixture of metal and wood cutting blades. We even have, looks like that handy dandy case is coming in with it, although I don't see it in the pictures over here. Here's what you're getting. 9 inchers, 6 inchers. It won't, there we go. There we go. Like, uh-oh. Make sure we get that in there. You're going to see a lot more of that in the next couple of years. Thanks to you-know-who. DeWalt 3-piece imp. That reminds me, it's getting nice out. I can finally put my flag up. Bought a flagpole last year, but it was too cold. I couldn't put it out yet. Now we can put it out. We got 2 flags. I'll let you guess what the second flag is. DeWalt 3-piece impact-ready titanium nitride coating step drill bit set. I love the step bits because they're just so fun and easy and just zipping holes. As long as we don't care how big the hole is, we just keep going, making it bigger and bigger. Just keep pile driving, and you'll be all right. Now, it says normally $84.99. Then we have to add it to our cart to see the final price. It is $49.99. I did do a quick search, and every other place I could find had it in the 70s, anywhere from like $73 to $79.99. So it is a really good deal. If you don't get your order total over $79, you have to add a shipping charge into that, or you can buy online, pick up in store if you have a Farm and Fleet next to you. But a 3-pack for $50, DeWalt. Back to Lowe's, we have the Craftsman 2.5-gallon, 2-horsepower corded wet dry vac. It's only $25, normally $40. 2.5-gallon, pretty good for like cleaning out the car, something that's portable and easy to move. You know, one thing I learned about wet dry vacs, I have a big ass wet dry vac, right? I don't remember how many gallons it is, but it's big as shit, and it's on wheels and everything. I never use it. Never use it. It is too much of a pain in the ass to get out, wheeling it around in the garage, trying not to hit the cars or something, and forget going up or down stairs with it, especially when that thing's full. If you're using it as a wet vac and you're actually like sucking up water out of carpet or something like that, by the time the thing's full, I can't pick it up anyways. It's a pain in the ass to drain. Okay, so you got to get that middle porridge. 2.5 gallons seems pretty good to me, and at only $25, a really good deal. Milwaukee 100-foot bold line chalk reel kit with blue chalk. Normally $15 down to $9.97. So it's a $5 discount, but also it combines with this buy more, save more. Now I know it's ending at the end of today. But you're getting a full 24 hours to see the video and take advantage, which by the way, you gotta subscribe if you love amazing deals. Plus click the bell. You gotta turn on all notifications. Things sell out. Promo codes get killed. You want to be the first to get to the deals. Remember that Acme Tools deal? $99 for 2 batteries and a free bear tool. You could have got in on that, but you had to be early. It only lasted an hour or 2. Anyway, it's $9.97, but then it'll also stack within it this buy more, save more. And if you click this right here, it should bring up all of the different options for the buy more, save more, which is a ton of stuff. So we like combining that with the special buy price. Another Farm and Fleet deal for you, the DeWalt 100-piece Flex Torque Drill Bit Set. Now, I like this being, one, I love these cases, and they all latch and lock together. The clear top, you can see what's in there, but the smaller cases will be able to stack and latch on top of these as well. So it's really nice getting a little bit of drill bits and drive bits, bunch of insert bits, the 2-inch bits, bit holders. It's a nice little array of stuff. We got to add to our cart again to see what that final price is. That's going to be $39.99. And it says going through May 8th again, subject to availability, which right now it is available and ready to ship. Got a Klein Tools tape measure. Look at trending 1,000 bought last week, which is really good for Lowe's because they don't do the volume that everyone else does. 16-foot compact double hook Klein Tools tape measure. That's supposed to go through the July 30th. Let's add it to our cart. Let's see. It is $9.98, so under $10 for a 16-foot Klein Tools tape. Milwaukee Oscillating Multi-Tool Blade Kit. It's an 8-piece kit. Normally $80, 59% off, down to just $32.97 as the special buy. Here's what we're getting in the kit. Let's scroll down a little bit. Multi-material wood blades. Got even that Japanese tooth. Gotta love the Japanese tooth. Japanese steel. Did that deal go through with U.S. Steel? Wasn't the Japanese company trying to buy it? I don't know. DeWalt 29-piece screw-driving set with tough case. I don't know how I feel about that either. I don't know. Do I want the Japanese owning my steel company? I don't know. $20.99. Comes with another one of these tough cases. This is a little like the traditional size one, though. You got the little bit holder guys, nut drivers, your insert bits there. So let's see. This, once we add it to our cart, it's only $12.99. Tough case, 29-piece drill drive set. Just drive set. Now here I'm going to show you both options on this because it does come with SAE or metric, so I'll have links to both of those. But this is the Craftsman 7-piece 12-point wrench set. Combination wrenches, which means open end on one side, boxed end on the other. 12-point, most common for wrenches, although sometimes you can get the 6-points, which are nice if you're in a rusty, crusty area so it doesn't slip and gets a little better bite. $25.98 down to just $14.98, so you're saving $11. Comes with the roll-up pouch, which is kind of nice, either hanging it up or throwing it in the truck or something. With $15 for your good old classic raised panel Craftsman's. So that's the SAEs. Does it say what sizes? Boy, I think that's 1/4 inch through 9/16. Covers most of the most common, I guess. Now here's the metric option on that. So again, a 7-piece, 12-point combination wrenches, comes with the roll-up case, normally $26, down to $14.98, and the size is, I think that says 6, up to 13. At least it has the 10. That's basically all you need to know. Of course, comes with the warranty. They were selling some tools made in the USA, but I think they stopped that, didn't they? I think the USA place closed. DeWalt Black and Gold Twist Drill Bit Set. 21-piece set, normally $30, down to $19.97 as a special buy. Another item coming in the tough case. Got these little dovetails so you can mix and match. Maybe you bought that drive case from earlier, and you want to put a row of drive bits to go in with your drill bits. So you're drilling, driving, you're doing it all. So we have up to 1/2 inch. I do like the flat spots on these guys, so you get reduced spinning within the chuck if that's a problem for you. Look at it. We're doubling up on the quarters there. All the way down to 1/16. Boy, that one's going to break. Hey, you get 2 of them, though, so when you break it, you have a second. You got a backup. So $10 off on that guy. Another little DeWalt deal, the 10-piece T-shank jigsaw blade set with the handy-dandy case. 2-sided case. Normally $19.99, but if we add it to our cart, it is now $14.99, saving $5 on our 10-piece DeWalt T-shank jigsaw blades. Let's see, what do we have here? Mostly wood, a couple of laminate, and metal. Back to Home Depot, we have the Stark Carbide Starter Router Bit Set. It's a 15-piece set, normally $43, down to $25.95. Comes in the handy-dandy wood case. And I like that they do call it a starter router bit kit because it's basically your essentials. I think 1/4 inch shafts on these guys. I got one. I was doing something and I didn't realize like the screw on the bearing was loose, or I don't know what it did, but the damn thing fell off in the middle of a pass. Just ruined the whole damn thing. I was like, there's no way to fix this now because it gouged down. I bastard. Anyway, we move on. Onto some Amazon deals. They will be linked down below. First up, not totally a tool deal, but I kind of feel like you should probably have one of these around. 300-piece first aid kit, home car emergency kit, handheld bag, multiple purpose by Minoki. And it is 40% off, so handy dandy zip up case. If you open up the Amazon listing, it actually gives you a breakdown of what's included. I'm not crazy about the image they're including because it doesn't tell you much. Starts out at $25.99, but it's 40% off, so a nice little deal on it. It's supposed to go through the end of the month. Clicking on this link will apply it to your account. It'll also tell you if they killed the code or not. But it was available in different colors, so if you're not big on red, but for first aid kit, I kind of feel like red is a good idea. It stands out and everyone knows what that is. But you can get it in blue or pink or green or whatever the hell you want. Here we got the 2-pack of solar-powered outdoor lights, waterproof 4 heads, motion sensor outdoor security lights by EIUI, 50% off. So you got the little solar panel there, all the lights kind of move around, you can angle them anywhere you want, you got the motion sensor, you got 3 different modes. $27.99, but it's 50% off. Now there's 2 different codes. This one's supposed to go through the 10th. This one, I don't know when it expires, but it was also available. They both take off 50%, so if one doesn't work, just try the other. Or if you want to buy more than one, I didn't check if the code worked on multiple quantities, but you could use both codes, just 2 separate purchases if you wanted. But it's $28. You cut that in half, that's $14. That's only $7 a light, so really good. And you don't got to worry about running electrical or something out. Slap it anywhere where you can get a little sun. Mini cordless rotary tool, not the same. 4-volt, 5-speed power rotary tool with 147 accessories. This is by July Sky. 50% off. So that looks like it could be a handy dandy case. Get a little charge cable, mini rotary guy, all these little accessories. Now you know what this is perfect for? Grinding dog nails. I have something very similar used for little Scooty, and it works great. He doesn't like it, but it does work great. $30, 50% off, only going to be $14.99. Should go towards the end of the month there. High speed, low torque, works great for dog nails. Tool bag, not a furry one. Speaking of which, that whole thing going on with the 100 men or the gorilla, who would win? Okay, I don't know how it originated, but you need more context. Because what is the scenario for these men? Is it just 100 random men and, hey, you could fight this gorilla if you want, or you could walk away and go home and go drink a beer and eat a steak? Because that's not much incentive to fight the damn gorilla. But if you're in like a gladiator arena and it's kill the gorilla or you die, well then the 100 men are going to win. But also you need to dig a little bit further, because I want to know how old are these men, because I'm a pretty firm believer that if they're like under 30, 25 or younger, they're pussies. They're going to be more worried about their man bun getting pulled on or something. But if it's a bunch of dudes like 35 or older, no, they're going to whoop that gorilla's ass. Ain't no chance, and you don't need 100 of them either. Tool bag, multiple pockets, wide mouth tool tote, safety reflective straps, adjustable shoulder strap by Tycon, and 40% off. Can never have enough tool bags, at least of this variety. $19.99, 40% off, taking $8 off. You're going to pay $11.99. All them tools you just bought previously in the video, now you got the bag to hold them all. You're welcome. 24-piece ratcheting wrench set with organizer, professional slim profile, SAS, and metric. I don't know what that means. It used to be SAE instead of SACE. Sass. And metric Tycon, 40% off. So look at that. We got 2 sets here, 1 metric, 1 SAE. Ratcheting. We've had really good luck by this Tycon brand. They have a lot of different things. $64.95, but then 40% off, which I don't know what that is. It's going to be close to 40, under 40. By getting 2 sets, that's basically like $20 a set, and that's 12 in each set. I mean, it's a really good deal for ratcheting wrenches, assuming that they have, some level of competency with them there. Craftsman V20 Power Tool Combo Kit. It's a 4-tool kit. So we're getting the drill, impact driver, circular saw, and the flashlight. Plus it's going to come with 2 batteries. I do not know. Hang on. 410D is 2 amp hour battery, so you're getting 2 amp hour batteries. I don't know what the AM on the end of it means. But you are going to get 2 amp hour batteries. It's $149 on Amazon right now. Lowe's is $199, so $50 cheaper than Lowe's, and that is your one deal over $50. Just had to slide that in because I had posted it recently. And if you need those tools, that's pretty good at $149. That's a good deal. Alright guys, Amazon deals linked down below. YouTube shopping links for all the big box stuff before. I gotta go get ready for my gorilla fight. Thanks for watching. Make sure you give the video a like, subscribe if you're a subscriber. I'll see you guys next time.